Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss the topic how to write a comment in Python code. Before going to discuss, please subscribe this channel if you are not subscribed. Watch total video without skip anything. Okay, let's go to the topic. What is meant by a comment in programming? A comment is basically a text note that gives an explanation about the source code. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments do not affect the program since they are ignored by Python. Comments start with a hash symbol. Comments can be placed at the end of a line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. Next topic is types of comments used in Python code. We use three types of comments in Python coding: single line comment, multi-line comments, and multi-line comments using string literals. We can discuss one by one. First, let us discuss about single line comments. We use the hash symbol to write a single line comment. Now, I am giving demo using notepad image and command prompt image to save time, because already we have discussed in the previous session how to write a code in notepad and execute in command prompt. Please try from your end, write the same code in notepad and execute in command prompt. If you observe here in notepad, comment added at the first line in the coding to make this program more readable. While execute in the command prompt, comment will be ignored and you will get the output which you entered at the time of execution. Next type is multi-line comments. Here you will get one doubt. Is there any syntax in Python for multi-line comment in coding? Of course, Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add multi-line comment, you could insert a hash for every line. We can observe in the below example, we are splitting total comment into multiple lines, adding the hash symbol at the start of every line. Python interpreter will ignore this and print the hello world in the output. Next type is multi-line comments using string literals. Here, first you will get one doubt. What is meant by string literal? A string literal is where you specify the contents of a string in a program. We can even write Python comments without any hash symbol. The Python interpreter ignores any strings not assigned to a variable in the code. To write a multi-line comment, you can add triple quotes in your program and place your comment inside it. If you observe the below example on screen, comment is added as a multi-line string in 3 lines and within triple quotes. Okay, I hope you understood regarding comments in Python code. In the next video, we will discuss the topic docstrings. Please keep watching all videos in this channel in order without skipping anything. Have a nice day. Thank you.